Sure, here's a 700-word article for a YouTube video on the 2025 Honda CG125S motorcycle. It's crafted in an engaging, audience-focused style that fits a video script format, and includes a natural reminder to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end. If you're a fan of reliable, budget-friendly motorcycles that deliver power, style, and practicality, then you're going to love what we're covering today, the 2025 Honda CG125S. This iconic bike continues to dominate the streets and hearts of riders in Pakistan and beyond, and the 2025 model brings some exciting updates while staying true to its roots. Let's start with the design. The 2025 CG125S comes with subtle yet noticeable refinements. Honda has given it a fresh new look without straying too far from its classic appeal. The fuel tank design still sports bold and attractive graphics that reflect the bike's sporty identity. The metallic paint is high quality, with an improved finish that really stands out, especially in direct sunlight. The red and black variants remain the fan favorites, but the new blue color is turning heads in showrooms. What makes the CG125S special isn't just the looks, it's the performance that counts. And Honda knows how to deliver. The CG125S 2025 features a 124cc 4-stroke OHV air-cooled engine, a tried-and-tested power unit known for its reliability and durability. Riders love this engine for one simple reason: it gets the job done. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out for a ride with friends, this engine gives you the confidence and response you need on the road. Now, one major improvement in the CG125S over the regular CG125 is the self-start system. That's right, no more kick-start struggles early in the morning. Just press the button and you're ready to roll. It's a small change that makes a huge difference, especially for city riders and those new to biking. Of course, the kickstart is still there as a backup, giving you peace of mind. Riders also get a smooth and consistent ride thanks to the 4-speed constant mesh transmission, which has been optimized for better gear shifting. It's responsive, predictable, and keeps the engine in its sweet spot, especially in urban traffic. The clutch action is light and the gearbox feels sturdy, a combination that enhances rider comfort and control. Suspension plays a big role in any motorcycle's comfort level, and the CG125S performs well in this area too. The front telescopic fork and rear swing arm suspension offer a balanced ride. Whether you're going over speed bumps, potholes, or rough roads, this setup absorbs shocks well and keeps things comfortable. Plus, the bike's frame remains strong and lightweight, making it easy to handle, even in tight city spaces. Fuel efficiency is another big win with the CG125S. With petrol prices always fluctuating, it's important to have a bike that won't drain your wallet every week. The 2025 model is reported to give around 40 to 50 km per liter depending on riding habits and maintenance. That makes it a practical choice for daily use, especially for students and working professionals. When it comes to safety, the drum brakes on both front and rear wheels might seem old school, but they're reliable and easy to maintain. For experienced riders, these brakes provide enough stopping power for city use. The bike is also equipped with a bright halogen headlamp and indicators that improve visibility during night rides. One thing riders often praise is Honda's spare parts availability and service network. You don't have to hunt around for parts or expert mechanics. Everything is widely available, which makes owning a CG125S stress-free. Now let's talk about price. As of 2025, the CG125S is positioned as a slightly premium option compared to the standard CG125, mainly because of the self-start system and upgraded features. But even with a slightly higher price tag, it still offers great value for money, especially when you factor in its resale value. Honda bikes are known to retain their worth, which is a big plus if you ever decide to sell or upgrade. In conclusion, the Honda CG125S 2025 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful, stylish, and dependable motorcycle that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student, office worker, or motorcycle enthusiast, this bike gives you performance, reliability, and that classic Honda charm all in one package. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews, motorcycle news, and riding tips. Your support means everything and helps me bring more quality content to you every week. Ride safe and see you in the next video.